Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Dr. Shardul Joshi. So, I'm going to present case of conduct disorder. So, when I was in college, in those days, everybody used to say that ki college to learning hai, college is a half learning or just beginning. Actually, real learning starts when you start practice. So, practice is a real learning. That's what all our masters stalwarts used to say. So मैं हमेशा सोचता था तो क्यों BHMS पढ़ना, मैंने तो MD भी किया है, 8 साल पढ़ा है, डायरेक्टली प्रैक्टिस ही शुरू करते हैं ना, उधर ही सीखेंगे, बट बेसिक नॉलेज इज रियली नीडेड. सो दिस केस इज द केस विच टॉट मी yes, patient is the real teacher and practice teaches you. So this is a very nice experience I got, so that's why I decided to share with you. So before starting case, I want to thank Other Song and its team to give me opportunity to present my case in front of you. So I will start my case. So it is the this is the 11 years boy. The chief complaint was he used to get up startled from the sleep. He used to cry, scream during the sleep, and it was almost daily. Almost daily he used to get up like frightened from the sleep. And the other complaints are mother said ki about her behavioral problem. So he was aggressive, abusive. He used hit, a lot of irritability was there, hitting was there, striking was there, and nature was very aggressive and destructive. So those were his chief complaints. Actually, the second one is mother's complaints about him. So now we'll see the what was the life situation. So his father was alcoholic. He used to come in a drunk state. He used to hit her mother, break the things in front of him. So they used to fight a lot in front of him. So that child said that because of that, I used to get very scared, and I used to get frightful dreams, and then I would wake up frightened, startled from the sleep, and I would cry. So that was the situation. So his parents then got separated when he was very young, like 2.5, 3 years old. Her mother, then when his parents got separated, so his maternal grandparents took him to their place. So his mother is staying in another city, and the boy is staying with maternal grandparents. So so he has feeling that his grandparents took him away from mother. Okay, and his father, what revealed from mother was that his father never used to love him, never used to pamper him. Okay, so what were his feelings towards grandparents and his father? So he was his feeling was like I feel like to shout on them or to hit them, grandparents, because maternal grandparents both are doctors, so they also want to him study very study and follow the timetable. So he got angry on grandparents, and he feels that I should beat them. Then his feelings about towards father. So his feeling is why he left me. Why did he left me? Why did he left us? And if he would have been there, it would have been really fun. So this was feelings. So next I asked him about the hobbies. So he said he wants, he really likes sports very much. He wants to be physically fit. So his hobbies was football and basketball. So I asked him to explain about the basketball. What you like in that? So he said basketball is the most speedy game, and it makes you fast. So we have to apply your mind to giving the pass and all these things he explained. So I pick up the word from that, the speed. So what you mean by speed? So explain about that. So he said you should not be seen. So I said okay, go on. So and ball also not should be seen. Others should remain unaware while you are running. So that was his explanation on fast. So other hobbies were also there, but this was the very characteristic hobbies, and he explained about that. Then I went to the other area in dreams, because dreams is the most uncompensated area. You can catch the person there. So I asked about dream. So dream was very typical, very vividly he explained his dream. So dream was like that. It is given on screen. कि I'm pursued by a few people with the sticks and axe and things like that, and they are all coming to kill me. And people are like, the all figures are distorted. Head is somewhere, arms is somewhere, there is blood is coming, head is mutilated, arms were mutilated. So distorted figures were there, and they are all coming to kill me. So, and I am running. And what happens? Finally, they come from all sides, and I become helpless. And at that time, I get up from sleep. And as mother said, he get up from sleep like screaming, frightened, crying. Okay, so that was the dream. I asked him, okay, tell more dreams, more about dreams. So second dream, what he said, कि I heard a sound of engine, okay, and a big stone comes and suddenly burst. ड्रीम में कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ लॉजिक बीजिक नहीं होता है. इंजन का आवाज आता है और स्टोन आता है, एंड दैट स्टोन गेट बर्स्ट एंड many monsters comes out from that stone. And the monsters, there is a flesh, human flesh and blood stuck up on the face of their monster, and they are also coming to kill me. Okay, so these are the two dreams we got in case. So I asked him, what is your experience in that dream? Because that is more important. Only dream is not important. The experience in dream is really important. So he said, I get frightened. I feel like to hide in some quiet or safe place, and those dead people will kill me. And how they will kill me? They will burn me and throw me away. So that was his experience. So then I get startled and screaming, all these things comes. So then I asked, then I wanted to confirm, in fears also the same thing is coming. So I asked him, what are your fears? So he said, I fear only to those dead people in my dream. No other fear. Okay, so till then case is going okay. So next I asked about I have already asked about hobbies, so I asked about ambition. What is your ambition? So he said, I want to be a army officer because I want to kill the enemy. Okay, and I want to fight for country and all these things he said. And again, while talking regarding that, he said, once I had a quarrel with neighbor and he threatened me. So if he attacks me, to what he said, then I will kill him by banging his head or shoot him with gun. So the way of killing is banging his head. Maybe thoda डर गया तभी और उसको question पूछू या नहीं पूछू, because he is getting so aggressive step by step. So that was his ambition. That was his narration of one incident. Okay. Then I asked him to sit outside. मेरा पूछ के हो गया था. I asked mother to come inside, and I wanted to confirm from mother what is her observation. So mother said he is very angry. He gets very angry, especially on grandmother. And when he gets angry, he hits grandmother and he strangulates her grandmother and hits her with punches and kicks. Okay. And he's boss in school. He's do bullying, dadagiri type sort of. He hits the students, fellow students, and he likes to remain alone. In relatives, he never get adjusted in relatives. He likes to remain alone. If I buy a dress for him and he doesn't like, then what he does? He cut it with scissors if he don't like that dress. Or he burn it with agarbatti, so that kind of his behavior. And in a dream also, when he gets the dreams, he said, he asked to mother, he said to mother, I got the dream. In that dream, somebody is coming to kill me, and some black and white figure is coming to kill me. So that is his narration to mother. And one interesting thing came up after that. Mother said he always says that I should look good, I should look fair, I should look handsome, and all girls from the class should they should give attention to me. So he applies Fair and Lovely daily. So to get more fairer complexion, fairer skin, he asked mother, why you marry with that black Hari? So I am also become black. So that is also thing. So he wants handsome and fair. So that is the case. now I asked to I went to other area, history during pregnancy, mother's history during pregnancy. So mother said ki when I was in a room, there was a photo of Kali Mata, one Indian goddess is there. Very, if you have seen that photo of Kali Mata, the tongue is red tongue coming out and fierce red eyes with that Trishul thing. So really that picture is so. That picture was hanged on the wall, and mother said ki I was very terrified with that photo, and I think I used to feel that she is coming to kill me. So I never used to stay alone in that room. So that was the feeling in pregnancy, mother's feeling. And I developed aversion to sour fish and craving for butter, which was not there before. So in pregnancy only she developed this. Physical general, she likes chicken, eggs, spicy, sour, cheese, butter. He is thirsty, thermally hot. Chief complaint according to him is headache, and headache is somebody is pressing it forcibly. Somebody is pressing his hindbrain, and heart pressure amylation. So that was the case. After the case, I was very excited. Okay, case done, animal kingdom. Nothing doing. Abhi itna hua hai. So this case is almost 2 years back. So ऐसे होता है ना कि superficial half knowledge is always dangerous. That time I was having the half knowledge. So, but let's see. I thought, okay, I will go with the process and let's see what happens. So first, I took the important point of the case. What I felt that time important. So anger towards father and grandparents. Grandparents took me away from mother. Father left me. All these things, frightened, startled, screaming in sleep. All these things were there. Okay, behavior was very typical, throwing things, hitting, striking, abusing, want to kill or by banging head, all these things were there. Wants to be fast, speed. The pace was also there. And dream, very typical, very violent dream, very cruelty was there in the dreams. So I think this is important in my case. The list continues. Ambition was important because killing enemy, killing instinct was there. Mother during pregnancy, that was also important. He wants to be handsome. Correlation कुछ हुआ नहीं था, लेकिन I thought this is important. I should take this. देखते हैं क्या होता है बाद में. Then craving for chicken, sour, cheese and butter, because butter mother also developed during pregnancy. So I thought कि important होगा तो ले लेते हैं. Then continuous fanning, mother ने ये दिया था. Physical एक general confirm किया था. So मैंने ये सब लिया. Then I thought what would be the kingdom? Kingdom क्या होगा इसका? तो मैंने देखा कि एनिमल तो है, एनिमल तो लग रहा है, लेकिन देखते मैंने फिर से देन आई रीथिंक कि क्या हो सकता है कि he got affected by the behavior of grandfather and father. Why he did left me, father? Why my grandparents took away me from mother? So their behavior affected him, and he is very sensitive, and he got sensitized by their behavior. So that is also, that part is there. So he is affected by the behavior of father and grandparents. His fear of being murdered, being killed, monsters, all fears are there. His reactions are very sudden reactions, startling, screaming, striking. So that shows very morbid sensitivity towards this killing, monsters, blood, murder. So his nerves are very raw nerves and morbid sensitivity. That is what I got from this case. And so I thought कि this boy belongs to plant kingdom. Let's see क्या होता है कि animal का तो किया है, लेकिन कुछ भी ऐसा sub kingdom का ये नहीं. I am not getting any indication to sub kingdom, any process I am not getting. So I thought कि okay, the sensitivity जो मिल रही, that is more important than वो जो सब है issues. Sensation है, केस में क्या क्या sensation है? Violent terror, killing, sudden, being pursued, murdered, pressing, striking, abusing, screaming, startling, mutilated, dead, blood, ये सब sensation case में है. So all we know, these are sensation, all are fitted in Solanaceae family. You can see the violence, the suddenness, the bursting, the killing, murder, everything is fitted in Solanaceae family. लेकिन मेरे लिए इतना easy नहीं था वो time पे. So this analysis I am showing what I have done for this presentation, this is not the reality. What I done, I will show you. So I made the totality. Totality, I took the symptom element from vexation, striking, abusive, destructive, dreams of ghost, or physical general stray. So I repertorize. What is coming? Belladonna and stramonium. I got confused. मुझे केस तो एनिमल लग रहा था, ये किधर से आ गया belladonna stramonium? So, but the repertorization showing belladonna and stramonium. So what to do? How to differentiate? Both from acute miasm, both have the space, and Solanaceae family itself having the pace is the basic sensation. Is the suddenness is the sensation of the Solanaceae family. So I cannot take it as an acute miasm. So I repertorized the physical generals. I took the craving aversion, and I got mandragora. Then I retrospectively go, what is mandragora? From which family it belongs? Belladonna और stramonium तो सब मेरे को मालूम था वो टाइम पे, लेकिन mandragora I was not well versed with mandragora. So I looked, and then I went to the, again I go to the reference book. So what we get in this case is the leprous miasm. Very obvious. Now leprous miasm very obvious to me, but that time it was not obvious. So what is there? Dreams of mutilated, distorted figure, violence is there, blood is there. Grandparents took me away from mother, my father left me, all this left, outcasted, neglected feeling, plus lot of violence, mutilated, killing, murder, all belongs to leprous miasm. And you can see the keywords of leprous miasm from the book. So leprous miasm is there, and in insight, then I referred insight into plant. The one delusion stuck me, delusion ugly is. Wow, as if the patient read a sir's book and then came to give me history. Because he said, I am black, why you married that black guy? So I become black. So delusion ugly, that is fitting with leprous miasm. So that is the delusion is from leprous miasm, what he was saying. So, so I gave mandragora 201 dose. Actually, level of experience was, he was at energy level, but mandragora 200 was available with me. So that also taught me, practice taught me this. Whatever remedy is available, whatever potency, give that time. Because next time मैंने फिर आगे के order भी किए potencies. So I give 200, mandragora 201 dose. 2000. Sorry. Over excitement में हो गया शायद. So follow up. First follow up after 15 days. Follow up was amazing. He slept peacefully, hardly get up, starting screaming. Slowly his aggressive, destructive behavior reduced. He became calm. He started socializing. His concentration also improved. So this is the mandragora root. This resemble with the human figure. In mythology, there is lot of literature is about mandragora. Later on, I referred and I got to know. Which is usually used in witchcraft, magic, and it is a symbol of demon, the root. Actually, I got follow-up videos also. Dates. No, this video follow-up I have taken just last month in. I will show you first child and then mothers.
माझं ते जे राग येत होतं, मला डोकं दुखत होतं, ते सगळं कमी झालं, पण चिडचिड अजून येते.
बरं, स्वप्न तुला जे पडत होते ते पडायचं कसं झालं?
स्वप्न आता येत नाही, पण रात्री रडतो मी, कधी कधी उठतो.
बरं, पण तेव्हा तू म्हणजे रोज उठायचा ना रात्री, घाबरून उठायचा?
आता नाही उठत, आता कधीतरी उठतो.
कधीतरी उठतो. बरं, भूक कशी आहे तुझी?
फार भूक लागते.
भूक लागते. आणि झोप कशी तुला लागते व्यवस्थित? झोप लागते, छान. बरं, तुझं डोकंदुखीचं प्रमाण किती आता कमी झालंय?
आता फारच कमी झालंय.
हां हां, आता एवढं दुखत नाहीये. बरं बरं, अजून तुला काय बदल जाणवला? तुझी चिडचिडमध्ये किती बदल जाणवला?
आता जास्त चिडचिड करत नाही, कोणाला
करत नाही. बरं, आणि